Hi everyone, Melanie Alfred from Melanie Alfred Art. I'm here today to do a review of the Royal and Langnickel Essentials pack of 36 soft pastels. These I bought for $16.20 from Officeworks. They weren't actually in the store. I had to go online, order them and then pick them up from the store. Still, thought they might be a good deal considering that pastels, to buy 36 pastels, you'd be looking at, individually, you'd be looking at upward of $70. So we have some beginners starting pastels soon, and I want to get the best value pack for them, and it has a wide range of colours. So let's see what they're like, see how soft they are, see how much colour is in them and so on. So let's get started and see what they're like. Well, here we are with our box of pastels opened. I just pulled the tray out, and here it's in a very, very nice tray covered with plastic for protection. I'll just lift the plastic cover now and we can see what's in there. As you can see, they're not full-size pastels, but I think that's fine for beginners because they just want to try it out. They don't need the full size. They're in the stick form, and you can see the range is quite substantial. Now let's try a few and see what they're like. And I like the way they're in these little protective trays. It's really good. Okay, let's try this one. There's no names attached, so that's okay. Okay, so that's nice. It's quite soft. The edge is quite fine. Very nice. Yes, very pleasantly surprised at that. Okay, let's just try some random ones. I might take them out of the tray so that I can push them up from underneath. Okay, let's try this one. Again, very similar in feel to that one. I'm just trying to see if they have any really hard ones. Sometimes some of these, now this is harder. The black is much harder, but adequate. Got a dark grey. It's somewhere between the black and the blue and the salmon colour. Let's try some others. These two are very close in colour, aren't they? And it looks like they've been snapped in half. Very similar, same colour. So there's two there that are very similar in colour. I think these two might be very close in colour as well. Let's try them. And yes, they look like the same colour to me. That's slightly darker. So there are a few repeats, but on the whole, very good. Let's try these yellow ones. Ooh, that's nice yellow. Let's see if this is any different. Slightly lighter, just ever so slightly. And then we've got lighter again. Then we've got this cream. Yes, look, I think they're really good. I think for $16.20, that's an amazing value. I think that's something that beginners should definitely look at. It gives them a lovely range of colours to work with, and I don't see any problems with getting those for $16.20. Good pasteling.